Hey guys, it's Miss Suzanne. I hope y'all had a wonderful fall break. I know I did, and this is our video, or one of the videos for this week. Today we're going to be talking about estimating products. Okay, so we went over this a little bit during class, but just so that we can get it down and make sure that you have something to go back to if you ever forget. So to estimate the product of two numbers, what you have to do is to round each factor to its greatest place, and then you're going to multiply. So this is different than when we estimated sums and differences. Remember, when you estimated sums and differences, you had to round each to the greatest place of the smallest number. But this time, to estimate products, what we do, again, is round each factor to the greatest place. So the greatest place in 2,463 is the thousands place. So I underline the place that I want to round to. I circle the place I want to round to and underline our superhero, which is the 4. 4 doesn't have enough power to change the 2, so that's going to round to 2,000. Then we're going to round 89 to its greatest place, which is the tens. Underline the superhero. This time 9 has enough power to change the 8 to a 9, so we're going to multiply 2,000 times 90 to get our estimate. Now remember what we said, to do mental math, we can multiply the non-zero numbers. So 2 times 9 is 18. And then what I do is I count all the zeros in my factors, and I have 4 total zeros. So I add those, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our estimate is 180,000. Okay, so now we're going to try these two problems. You can pause the video right now and try them on your own, or you can watch me do it. All right, so if you paused it, let's see if you got your answers right. So to round to estimate each product. So this time both of our numbers, the highest place is the tens place. So 72 is going to round to 70. 16 would round to, I'm sorry, not 10. That would be 20. So sorry about that. 16 is going to round to 20. All right, so now I multiply the non-zero numbers. So 7 times 2 is 14. Count all the zeros in your factors. I have 2. So it would be 1,400 or 1,400. Okay, when we came over here to get our estimate, both numbers, the highest place in both numbers is the hundreds place. So 383 is going to become 400. 162 is going to become 200. Multiply the non-zero numbers, so 2 times 4 is 8. Count up all the zeros in the factors, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Add that to your answer, and you get 80,000. Okay, so this time I want you to pause it and try it on your own. Now notice we do have a money amount right here. Okay, that's not going to change anything except now that we are going to have a dollar sign and a decimal, but it's still going to work the same way. Okay, so what you did was you had to round $36.45 to the highest place, so that would be the tens. So I would have $40, and I'm going to add all of my zeros. So 40 decimal 00 times your hundreds place is the greatest place. 238 is going to round to 200 because 3 doesn't have enough power. So again, I multiply my non-zero numbers. So 4 times 2 is 8. I count all the zeros at the end of the factors. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I add that to my answer. 2, 3, 4, 5. But do you remember what we talked about with decimals in class? So what I need to do is I need to count all the numbers after how many decimal places I have, which are 2. So I move this over 1, 2. So my decimal goes there. So my final answer would be $8,000. Okay, so let's look at the next one. 124 would round to 100 times 15 is going to round to 20. Because again, I round each to the greatest place. So then my answer would be 2,000. All right, so thanks for watching. That's just the picture of my desk. I'm up here on Monday afternoon. It's probably about 1:48. So I'm getting ready to see y'all tomorrow, and I thought I'd just take a picture of what I look at some days. All right, guys. Hope you had a good weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye.